Welcome to the Ghana Health Information Management System. In this lesson, we'll learn how to return drugs using the drug return feature in Ghims. The drug return feature in Ghims allows pharmacists to reverse or adjust previously dispensed medications. This is useful when a patient returns an unused medication, a dispensing error needs correction, or a clinician discontinues or modifies treatment. To begin, open the Pharmacy module dashboard. Under Pharmacy, click the Select Patient drop-down menu. Select Search Patient Visit. Search for the patient using any of the available search filters, such as name, last visit, birthday, or patient number. Once you locate the patient, click Open Folder to access their visit details. Scroll down to the Medical Item Dispenses section. Here, you'll see a list of medications that were previously dispensed to the patient. Within this section is a button labeled Return Drug. Clicking this button starts the drug return process. The system will open the drug return form. This form displays the auto-generated item return number, the dispense number linked to the patient, the visit number, the sponsor or mode of payment, and a field where you must enter the reason for returning the drugs. Next, click the button labeled Add/Edit Medical Items Sale To, also shown as Drug Sale Item To List. A table will appear containing all medications previously dispensed, similar to what you saw during the dispensing process. To return a drug, locate the medication in the list, check the box beside the item, and enter the quantity you wish to return. The system will prevent you from entering more than the quantity originally dispensed. The return amount is automatically calculated based on the quantity you enter. When you're done, click Apply to return to the patient folder. Review the items and quantities to make sure everything is correct. Then, click Save to complete the return transaction. If successful, the system will display the confirmation message, "One record saved." This means the drug return has been properly recorded. To verify the return, scroll back to the Medical Item Dispenses section. Refresh the page. You will now see the drug name, the quantity returned, the original cost, and the calculated return cost. That completes the drug return process in Ghims. See you in the next one. Goodbye.